fully digital fly-by-wire control system provides exceptional, precise flying.
Yes, so the range and flight duration for the range is 1.188 nautical miles, 3.1 hours of flying time with external fuel tank. Now the airframe maximum speed, Mach 0.95.
Allowing the pilots to fly close formation and dynamic maneuvers, they have become the trademark of Fursan Al Emarat. The aircraft is capable of reaching 30,000 feet, giving a very impressive performance. And also, because of the air-to-air refueling, Fursan is commentating a very, very capable aircraft. Striking black and gold livery on the top. Head south for about 2 hours down to the empty quarter near the Saudi border. It's like something out of Lawrence of Arabia. It's amazing.
So today who is attending that, you will hear that the pronouncement of the maneuver from the pilot itself. Our team is trying now to enter the taxi and to prepare to take off. And before that, let me...
From leader, the colors smoke on now.
Big wing, they'll be the first to move back and underneath. There we go. Kite formation. So, next maneuver coming up, we're going to roll into a loop, but not just one company of loops. Watch for all 7 aircraft as they come back in. They will do individual snap rolls and then pull up as one into the loop, up to about 5,000 feet. So they'll be coming back from your right-hand side at about 400 feet. They'll snap roll together, and then they'll pitch up into the loop.
Yeah, you will see the smoke on, and after the smoke on, the whole aircraft will take all loop together. All their day movement at the same time. So they are taking the perfect and exact order from leader, then they will move and stop at the same time.
So cameras ready.
You will hear the leader giving the order.
Feet and kite into diamond. Look at them coming back over the top, and they've shifted their shape. 6 and 7 at the back into classic diamond shape. So now as the aircraft head away in arrow formation, they'll roll to the left-hand side and they'll come back in from there. Get ready for the line abreast loop into diamond. Again, a lot of G in this maneuver. At the bottom of it, they're putting 4G. Imagine 4 times your own body weight sitting on you while you're trying to control this aircraft. So it just goes to show the level of physical fitness of Fursan Al Emarat pilots, not just mental fitness, but but also the physical fitness.
And you know, John, what is interesting, like all the eyes is on the leader side. Like who's on the right, he will look to the left, and who's on the left, he will look to the right.
They'll reposition and do a turn back towards us, and they'll keep that formation until they're lined up at the runway, and then keep an eye on the rear of the main body of aircraft. Colonel Fursan the solo will depart and start into some of his solo routines. Perfect arrow formation as they turn back and head back down the runway. 24 here at Farnborough International Airshow 2026. Fursan Al Emarat from the United Arab Emirates, doing their country and their nation proud.
Listen to the leader.
Again, maximum G vehicles here, 4 or 5 Gs. As he pulls the Falcon around, you get a maximum rate there. So, get ready for the smoke on.
A good communication from number 6, solo number 6, and the leader to control the whole team from back and front. Fursan Al Emarat is controlling the
perfectly aligned, right there on that turn, and then finally you can offload the G and his body can relax. Official name for this move is called black. Okay, the first thing is taking the rolling like number 8, then leaving the car in the garage. There you go. It's just gone in.
That was amazing at crossing that wall.
So unfortunately we are approaching aircraft control. 7. be beta technology at around 20 to 5 this afternoon with the amazing CX300. So still plenty of flying to see here at Farnborough International 2026. So get ready for the run and break.
Goodbye for you and looking to see you inshallah next time.
Slow right down. Aerodynamic braking for boom on these types of aircraft. See the 350 1000. If you want to get close up shot, head down forwards from there. So 6 seconds down. Coming over the bars now. And down safely. So once they taxi back into their holding apron, I'm sure that Bombardier Global 8000 will be taxiing out and forwarding on runway 24 very shortly. I'm going to hand you over to Kath.